Hey team, this is Steven Menduk, your coach. I want to just show you what I'm going to request of you in regards to your team's links. Of course, the most important piece of anything at this point is these really cool t-shirts that are in the mail and that are going to be coming to us soon and that I'm going to personally deliver to you. Here's the front of the t-shirt. Get excited. Menduk's Ain't No Flukes, Buyers 2021. The back of the t-shirt will have your last name and then 21 for the school year. So pretty excited about this. We are going to be the coolest coaching cohort on campus virtually. And then if we ever go back in person, also on campus in person. All right, so here's what I really need from each of y'all. So this is Victoria Combs' coaching document. We're going to use hers as an example. I really am going to need really all of these things, your planning folders, your Teams Classroom, and your Google Classroom. Planning folder, pretty self-explanatory. You'll just link that Google Drive folder right here. If it's a OneNote, that's okay too. You can link that here. I would really prefer Google Drive if you have it. And then for your Google Classroom, you will just link the classroom here and put your class code. So that way I could hop in there. If you want to add me as a teacher, that would be really helpful as well. The part that is a little bit different this year as compared to the spring is this linking for the Teams classrooms, only because it looks like we are going to be asked to use the Teams feature and not just create those calendar invites. So I'm going to show you how to just drop that link right there, right now. So if you go over to Teams and you go into your Teams, for Victoria, for instance, she has hers right here. And this is Victoria's advisory chat that just started today on NSA Day. If you click these three little dots up here, there's this Get Link to Channel option. So I'll just have you click that, copy it, and then if you just go over here, what I would love is if you could say advisory, highlight it, click this insert link up here at the top, drop that link in there, just a quick paste, and apply. That would be super, super helpful. And then for your other sections, right, you could call it, you can call it by the homeroom or the period, etc. Really, whatever it is, the content for the high school teachers that I'm coaching, it's really up to you. I just want to be able to drop into those classrooms pretty easily for my observations throughout this school year, and it's going to make it real easy if all of those are linked right up here. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'll give you one last look at the thing we're all most excited about, the super cool t-shirts. And that is it. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.